chlorophyll is a pigment that is found inside the thylakoids. Now, the special thing about the chlorophyll is that it absorbs light photons. Okay, light is really essential for photosynthesis in order for the whole process to work. Okay, so we can see here we've got something called a light reaction, and we've got something called a Kelvin cycle, which is known as our light independent reaction. Okay, we're going to start looking at both of these processes and how they interrelate. So photosynthesis is summarized with the following equation. So 6 carbon dioxide plus 12 water plus light is going into C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus 6 oxygen plus 6 water molecules. Okay, and here is our word equation. So photosynthesis takes place in two stages. First of all, light dependent phase, known as the photo, and then the light independent phase, which is the synthesis that makes up photosynthesis. Okay, we'll start looking at the light dependent phase. So chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun. Okay, sun is the vital source of light, and we need that energy. So the energy, okay, first of all, water is split into hydrogen, which is carried by NADP to make NADPH2. Okay, this may sound a bit confusing, but NADP is just a carrier. Okay, it's like a truck, for example. They're picking up a box, their product, and then they're transporting it to another place. Okay, the NADP, the truck, is picking up the hydrogen here and it is carrying it. So in this case, we have NADPH2. Remember that water, okay, is H2O. Water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen is carried by this NADP in this case, and oxygen is given off as waste or a byproduct. Second thing is that it creates some stored energy in the form of ATP. Remember that ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, where we have three phosphate groups that are attached to the adenosine. The ATP and NADPH2 then move into the stroma. Okay, this light dependent reaction is taking place in the grana and the thylakoid membranes. Here's just a summary of what was just said.